Right now, I'm gonna ride my e-bike around this block a few times. I'm gonna try and make some e-bike content. And after this ride, I'm gonna show you my e-bike. I'll tell you how to get it. It's only $600. Like, this bike is insane. It's 28. The brakes can be pretty iffy, but it is pretty worth it for an e-bike, beginner e-bike. I'm hoping to blow up. I just really want to be a Soroxer, tag Soroxer, but I'm just really trying to be popular. So if you would, please like and subscribe. I might wear my AirPods so then you guys can hear me a little better. I love my perma brakes. Always follow the law, guys. Never break it. Trust me. But that was my brother and sister on this side down here. It's nice just to take a cruise once in a while. Oh god. These tires last a long time. These are nylon tires. I have 200 miles already on this bike. I ride this bike like 10 miles every day. I just love to do it. I just love my e-bike. Got hit a few times on this long crosser because no one knows how to drive over here. It's so annoying. I'm gonna fix my camera so that it looks a little better. I adjust my display. The video right here.